It's called
It must not work anymore.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it doesn't. It was built in 1901. It was called the Merrill Fountain. Boy, I imagine back in the day this was pretty awesome. And like the Opera House was right behind it. It was kind of hard to imagine Opera House being there.
I mean, these trees are at least 30 years old.
Wow.
So it's kind of hard to imagine.
Look at the turtle up there in the middle.
He's missing his head.
Oh no, he lost his head? Poor turtle. Looks like water would have come out those two things on the other side of the turtle. This was probably really cool, like the one at Belle Isle. Remember that you were driving in a circle around?
Oh yeah, I was quite obsessed with it. It's made out of marble.
Ew. That water's yucky. Ooh, there's water here though. Probably just dirty rainwater. I can't believe they didn't keep this up.
It probably was hard to keep up because of
Yeah.
lack of money.
Somewhere over there would have been. I wonder if it was over there where the parking lot is now. Because the sidewalks go that. The sidewalk goes that way.
I pulled a stick out of the water.
You're playing in icky water.
I am.
Wow. This is kind of cool. We are stalking you, sir.
What's your name?
I think his name is Ricky. Oh, there's a little ducky swimming there. Looks like he's trying to creep on something, don't it? These guys over there are just chilling. There's trees out there that kind of cool. Now he stopped. I'm gonna go around that way. Doesn't look like the neatest pond in a park ever. A little ducky swimming. I should zoom out. It's kind of sad that it's got trash all in this pond. That bird's freaking out. I like these droopy trees. Oh, there goes a dude flying away. Kind of sad that people throw trash in the water. Little ducky's still swimming. And that is some nasty looking water.